than Argos. Christian Petrovich, the perfumer and the nose behind this fragrance, made an absolute masterpiece when he made DANAÄ. And guys, this bottle is so heavy to hold in my hand. It is thick glass. This cap is thick. It is absolutely heavy. Love the pressurized atomizer. Those things are important to me. The attention, the detail, the etching in the glass, what's going on in the back right here. Just everything about this is so well done and so thought out. But the fragrance, the juice is even better, guys. This is just so rich and creamy. It's got that creamy lemon on the top. It's all about the patchouli in this. This is a patchouli bomb. There's some sticky cystis in this as well. It's just warm and cozy, just so opulent and refined. This is very, very luxurious. I tend to wear this on special occasions, guys, like birthdays, anniversaries, things like that, guys, when I really just want to feel a little bit of extra confidence. But this is definitely going to get you noticed. It's going to turn heads, and it's just going to linger all day on you. And people are definitely going to ask what you're wearing. I remember I wore this at Scent Explore, and Curly Scent came up to me and asked me what I was wearing, and I told her DANAÄ, and she was just shocked at how good this fragrance is. So it really is that good, guys. Definitely check it out.